how Lele's hair is so cute today. Who do you look like, Tita?
Anna.
Anna. Aloha Mai Kākou. Okay, so it is the next day. We're back here at the Wailele Hawaiian word of the day, Wailele Waterfall. I'm here with Taryn, getting some shots in. It's so pretty. My bags are not cooperating with me. I hope you guys can hear me because the sound of the water is just so, ew, my bangs. It's just so powerful. I don't like my bangs right now. They're so poofy. Why did I cut you? We're gonna take a quick dip and I have a bunch of stuff to do today. I swear I like jam-pack all my things, like all the duties and stuff, like back to back every single day. Okay, I'll show you an old picture of her because obviously FYI, you're on speaker. I forgot to tell you that. I don't. I can't even hear anything. Oh my god. Oh, you're still recording, girl. Oh my god. It's not even that sunny, but we've been sweating out here and the sun's coming out and let's get it go away. Woo! Taryn just found poop over there. Wait, it's on the rock? Does it look like human or dog? Look human? Ew! I was literally like walking up, like once I hit right here, I was like, it smells disgusting here. Mildew or like doo-doo. And Tara's like, there's freaking poop on a rock. Who pooped on a rock, guys? You should have just pooped at the bottom of the river. It would have flowed right down. In the bushes, actually. That probably would have fertilized the plants. That's so disgusting. I know. Look at that big sucker. That almost looks like a eel's tail. No, it's a leaf. I'm an idiot. I'm not loving my hair today, but we're about to start heading out, me and Taryn. I know, I have a lash appointment and I want to kind of go home until wash my hair, bathe. Yeah, we came super early. It was like a good couple, were we here for a couple hours? Or like
hour and a half.
Hour and a half, yeah, hour and a half, which is really good. Got some good shots. Found some doo-doo up in here. Disgusting. But I can't wait to bring Darren here. He's been wanting to come here for like ever since I've been coming. Ever since I posted pictures. So my hair, I just came home and I have, what's 11:11? Make a wish. Okay, I better stop doing that. I'm gonna go bathe because the place is a mess. I have to go bathe and I need to do it in like 18 minutes. I am ready. I look a little bit oily. Fresh out the shower is the look. Okay, so I'm gonna grab some macarons to give to my lash lady and then we're gonna hele out the freaking door. I'm starting to hate my bangs, but okay. I got my eyelashes done.
Okay, I'm gonna wear my little jasmine shoes. Okay, okay, yeah. Yeah? Mom? Mom? Do we have the Jasmine or TV still?
The DVD player?
Yeah, the Jasmine one. Hi, Mr. Dolly. You can sit on my lap if you want to sit down.
Okay,
Where's Dad?
I know, what the heck? Open up the door.
Yeah, you're getting late. But there's no look.
I had my last It went on longer than I expected, so I couldn't get any lunch. So yeah, and also I decided to call Target again.
You look so pretty.
Hey, look at my necklace.
Doesn't Nohea's eyelashes look so pretty? I mean, she's pretty already, but
Sucking up, I'll see.
oh, sucking up.
Okay, Paula, buckle up.
Yeah, that's your thing.
Anyway. Okay, also yesterday after okay, she's buckled. After I called Target to ask them about the iPad. Okay, if you guys remember, I called yesterday early in the morning to see if Target had her iPad. They told me no. So, I don't know. I decided to call again because that's just how my brain is wired. And it was like God was telling me to call them again. So I decided to call them again. I called them again. They're like, oh, my hair. Call them again. My hair is disgusting.
Blame it on the bangs. Yeah.
No.
Blame it on
They're just like really extra poofy for some reason today. I don't know why. But anyway, I decided to call them again. And they're like, oh yeah, we don't have it, but we'll look out for it. 1 second later, I just hung up with them. They called me right back. 1 second later. Hi, yeah, you're calling about the pink iPad? Yeah, we do have it.
Oh, liars.
Yeah. So, yeah.
The guilt trip.
Yes.
I got Mr. Dolly too.
Ooh, fun. Where are you going this way?
Mom.
The gold.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yes.
Are we going to school?
No, we're not going to school. I know Daddy's going a different way.
That's the school teacher.
I know.
Mom, can I turn the camera for you?
Sure.
I have brand new shoes. And I have new shoes and I have pretty shoes. Okay. I have brand new shoes and on the bottom it's still clean.
Pretty cool.
And it's golden. Mine is dirty. L. Oh, it has a sticker on it.
Oh
Ooh,
god.
sparkle. snorkel in it. It's not dirty.
Ew, Tita.
Yucky. I love to kiss it.
So when I was at Target, since I didn't have time to get lunch, I ended up eating this for freaking lunch today. So I'm starving. Paulele came out with her Princess Jasmine. Yay. Duh. That's why I told you to change, freak.
Wait, I want to see if my brand is open already. It's open. It's not even dirty.
I can only show Paulena's back because she didn't want to change her shirt.
Look, I'm walking, and it's not even dirty.
It's starting to.
Mine too. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped him. And I'm just gonna sit in because at home I rub my shoes on top of the ground, and then I have to get clean.
Huh, Tita?
Look it. Isn't my hair good? It's not making a mess.
Oh yeah.
No.
Go for it.
Mommy had.
Okay, wait, there's a truck.
Oh, trucky.
Oh, thank you.
Mommy.
Thank you.
Ooh, you gotta give you slippers too, whatever.
It's not slippers, it's shoes.
Oh,
Not slippers.
It's not slippers.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Do you remember ants like leaves? They love to eat worms. Worms like leaves, not ants. Ants eat flowers.
We go now. You're so weird.
I know, so weird.
Come
this side, Paulina.
Let's just wait this car.
Oh. Gross.
Wait, right when he said that, now I don't want to buy rat. No, Shallow's not going to eat the rat. He's going to do the next.
Kaulana nā pua o Hawai'i Upa a mā o te o ka aina